Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure the JBL Tour Pro 2 earbuds are seated in the case and the case has some charge. This ensures proper contact and charging. Once done, connect the supplied USB-C cable to a stable 5V/1A or higher power source because voltage and current affect charge time. Plug the cable into the case port. You'll see the LED indicators respond. Make sure the lid is closed after plugging in, which helps the case detect and manage charging for the earbuds. Next, monitor status using the LED indicators so you know what's happening and why. The case LED shows case level, while small earbud LEDs indicate individual earbud charge. Once you've started charging, earbuds typically reach full in about 2 hours, while the case may take longer. This staggered behavior prevents overcurrent and preserves battery life. Make sure to keep the cable secure and avoid switching to wireless charging mid-cycle, because interruptions can reset the charging sequence and lengthen total time. Finally, finish by unplugging once LEDs indicate full charge and store the earbuds in the closed case to preserve battery health. If charging fails, first clean the metal contacts on earbuds and case with a dry cloth and retry, because dirt or misalignment is the most common cause. Also test a different USB-C cable and adapter to rule out a faulty charger. If LEDs behave abnormally, reset the case per the manual or press, and hold the designated buttons to reinitialize charging logic before.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.